Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Here you are seeing a real miracle from Indian Ocean. From Indian Ocean. It is a beautiful Gauri conch called as Lord SHIVA Goddess PARVATHI conch or Shiva Parvati conch. You can see the both the image of Shivalingam and Goddess Parvati in the single image. It is a real miracle piece of collection, mind-blowing collection. See, the natural conch, it is a natural image. See, now it is like a Shivalingam, like a Shivalingam, top, bottom yoni, and when you see the full image, it is like Goddess Parvati. It is like Goddess Parvati dancing, face, hand, and like that, like dancing image of Goddess Parvati Dev. It is like Shivalingam. In one angle, it looks NATARAJA also. NATARAJA dancing also. Miracle piece of collection. See, Shivalingam and Goddess Parvati dancing, and like Lord Shiva, Lord NATARAJA dancing also, all in the single image. It's a miracle piece of collection. It is from Indian Ocean. What a piece of collection. Just is a one piece. We can never see like this collection again in the lifetime. Natural. Lord Shiva Goddess Parvati conch or Shiva Parvati conch. Wonderful masterpiece of collection, mind-blowing collection. Use your full blessings of Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati. Gives you full energy. This conch makes you all time full energy, gives you full protection, huge success in your life. Such a wonderful piece. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. See the mind-blowing collection. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.